Welcome to another episode of Drive With Me. You guys enjoyed the last one so much I thought I'd get out here and make another one. Well, actually, I've been given the esteemed task by my future wife-to-be to go and pick up the Tesco's grocery shopping. We haven't actually got that much time, so yeah, I've been given strict instructions. But I thought we'll go there, we'll chuck the GoPros on the car, and we'll go for a little detour first and have some fun, and then we'll pick the shopping up. So in this video you're going to get to see more fun with the C43, but also you're going to see what it's like picking up shopping in lockdown in the UK. So we're already in Sport Plus, we've already warmed the engine up a little bit. Let's just have a little blip. Car is nice, exhaust is sounding on point so far. We're going to get lots of crackle and bangs. I don't know where we're going to go yet. We'll probably get lost and we'll probably have to race to meet our timeline to pick up our shopping. Basically we've got like half an hour, so I thought it'd be fun to see how far we can go, and then we might have to put the sat nav on and race to get the shopping. So stay tuned. Pops and bangs are here as always. Should we do automatic or manual mode? Let's start in auto. I tend to use manual mode when I'm driving slower because it's just really fun to engage with the gearbox. We just need to get out of here now. Oh, which way shall we go? I reckon we'll go in the complete opposite direction of Tesco's and see what we can find. No! Lights turning red. Oh, that was handy. Fastest red I've ever seen. So let's go left here and see what's down here. Nice pop there. Oh, just listen to that exhaust, guys. That is just pure driving pleasure. So we're in the lovely town of Milton Keynes, which means that there's roundabouts everywhere. So we can either go around some roundabouts, or we can see if we can find something a bit off. You know, these Drive With Me videos, they're quite expensive to make because I get through my petrol so fast because we're just having fun. But hey, it's all part of the experience. Let's go down here. We could, of course, get stuck in some sort of crazy traffic jam as well, which wouldn't be good. God, he was brave. See ya. It's funny because even though roundabouts can be a bit of a pain, coming out of the roundabout and flooring it is always fun. And that's the good thing about four-wheel drive. You're not going to go sideways and crash into another car. Yeah, it's quite busy actually. Could probably go. Yeah, it could definitely go. It's all roundabouts, people. All roundabouts. I think this is how I get through my tyres so quickly, all these roundabouts. My first set of factory fitted tyres in this car, they barely lasted 8,000 miles. All the way around, don't get dizzy, and off we come. See a Volvo. Well, Tesco's is actually there, so we've not done too bad. Another roundabout now. See, it just does these crazy pops when you're not expecting it. Performance exhaust is sounding fantastic as always. Oh, you know, I just love driving around these roundabouts and these roads because you just accelerate over and over. It's like I don't know. It's got to come out. It's just good fun. This is probably turning out to be more the roundabout drive with me rather than picking up my shopping, but it's all good fun. See what I mean? It's just lorries at this time. I don't want to go too close to that thing. When you live in the UK, you really get used to roundabouts, and the idea of a roundabout is to keep traffic moving. So, I mean, like, he could have stopped there, but he didn't, and I was able to slow down. For me, it's all about that. And it's crazy how you can literally just floor it like that. I mean, if you did that in a rear-wheel drive car, you would back end like crazy. We would have pretty much gone into that grassy patch there straight away. But this thing, even this thing is, you can just throw this thing around. Oh, it's just so fun. Let's slow down. Right, where should we go? Should we try going left here? Oh, I think it's time for manual mode. Yes, it's time for manual mode. You can't beat good old manual mode. So we're in 5th gear right now. If we shift down to 4th, a little bit, shift down to 3rd, and you get some pops. And you spend a lot of money on petrol, but it's worth it. Right, there's really not much down here, so let's come back up on ourselves. You just get through the gears so quickly. We're already in 8th. I think my favourite though is going down the gears. Don't pull out. Which makes me nervous with people. Some people just floor it to they slam their brakes on last minute and you think they're going to pull out in front of you. So just going down the gears. It's so much fun. Alright, let's see if we can get through here quickly. I feel like it's already starting to get a bit busier now. Nice. Yep, definitely starting to get busy around here now. Righty, so we're kind of in the back end now, where you've got kind of a lot of the warehouses and the industrial buildings. Usually quite fun driving down here because you get a lot of lorries parked and sound kind of bounces off them if you go between them. That was unexpected. Terrorizing all the workers down here at the moment. I do apologise, guys. Of course, there's still roundabouts because it's Milton Keynes. And this is actually a really bumpy road, so you might hear quite a lot of bumps. I mean, all UK roads are bumpy, they're never perfect, but this one in particular. Oh, look where we are. It's Mercedes. Haven't been here in a while. We'll just come down here to turn around. So you got all your dealerships here. If you want to buy a car and you're not sure what to buy, just pop down here. You can check out pretty much everything. That's where I bought my Mercedes, down there. We won't go down there because there's probably nothing too exciting going on. But we'll turn around, and I think now we'll make our way to Tesco's to pick up the shopping. So yeah, things are finally starting to kind of calm down a bit now here in the UK with COVID. Obviously there's lots of restrictions in place, but we've got swimming pools have just opened up. We always did the click and collect anyway, because we're not a huge fan of going into the supermarket and walking around. But at the moment it's especially handy, because if you didn't like going to the supermarket before, you probably won't like going in it now. So you do your shopping online, and they basically collect it, grab it all for you and bag it up, and then you just park here and they put it in the car and then you're off. Let's see if we've got any substitutions. Oh, so there we have it guys, just leaving Tesco's. That is the shopping collected. We are now in comfort mode because the boot is just full of food, and if we go Sport Plus it's going to go everywhere, so a much more calmer drive home. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little one really. I mean, I'm really enjoying making these drive with me videos, so I thought I'd do another one. Sorry, that was a speed bump. I thought I'd do another one, just a quick one. Picking up the shopping, but we're going to be doing lots more fun driving ones. We are going to be getting lost. We are going to be trying to find those really nice roads, putting together those cool montages. You know, everything you liked about the last one will be here. But for now, if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that thumbs up because it always helps me the channel out. And if you want to see more, then hit that subscribe button. And of course, we're going to have more great videos of the car coming as well. The usual stuff, you know, tips, tricks, experiments, all the good ABAUTO stuff. But yeah, I'm signing off for now. I'll see you guys next time.